Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're going to fix your Discord phone number now. Open Discord, sign in, then go straight to user settings and My Account. Once there, tap Edit next to phone and enter the new number. Make sure the country code is correct so Discord sends SMS. If you use a VoIP number, swap to a mobile number because Discord blocks many VoIP providers. Keep your phone visible and SMS enabled. You'll need the verification code in the next step. Once you enter the new phone number, Discord sends a code. Type it exactly as received. If you're replacing a number, remove the old one first to avoid conflicts, then add and verify the new one. If verification fails, request a new code after waiting a minute. Rapid retries can lock attempts. Make sure your carrier isn't blocking short codes. After successful verification, enable two-factor authentication. You're nearly done. Confirm the saved number in My Account and test receiving a code again if you want assurance. If Discord rejects the number, try another mobile number. Some carriers or VoIP services are blocked. Once verified, restart the app and clear cache to remove stale data. If problems continue, collect screenshots and submit a support request describing error messages and steps taken. That helps support resolve account-specific blocks or verification issues faster.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.